Hello, today we shall be talking about general misconceptions about addiction. What that means is that what people believe about addiction that is not true. Number one we shall be talking about is addiction happens to a certain demography in the society. For example, certain addictions happen to certain genders or certain age group or certain social sphere of life. This is not true. Addiction happens to any gender. Any form of addiction happens to any gender. It also happens to any age bracket, which means that a young girl or a young boy can be addicted to exactly what an old man of around 40-50 years is also addicted to. The fact that you've seen a 50-year-old being addicted to smoking does not mean a less than 10-year-old child is not also addicted to smoking somewhere else. Number two is that addiction happens to people of bad moral upbringing. It is not true. We have seen even very religious people that are addicted to masturbation. Very religious people, whether a Muslim, a Christian, that is suffering from addictions such as smoking, such as alcohol, such as gaming, the sporty bet, the Niger bet. This addiction we talk about comes with an irresistible urge, and this sometimes affects the brain negatively, and that is what causes the misbehavior. Number three is that people feel addiction is a choice. No, addiction is not a choice. Addiction is a mental problem. When something becomes an addiction, it has grown from affecting the dopamine in the brain to destabilizing the process of how the brain works. So the person that is addicted to a particular thing usually have an irresistible urge that cannot make him to say no to that particular thing he's addicted to. For example, drug abuse, smoking, the betting, or what we call gaming. Number four is recovery is a one-time process. This is not true. Recovery is rather a lifetime process, because at any or slightest opportunity, even after going through several therapies, one can still fall back into the addiction if care is not taken. So recovery is something that must continue in one's life if you don't want to relapse back into what you were addicted to. Number five is addicts can quit anytime they want to. No, it is not possible. Addicts can quit anytime they want to. If the addiction has already affected their brain, it has already affected the functions of their brain, and therefore it takes a lot of hard work, therapy, and a strong willpower to actually overcome addiction. If you find this helpful, kindly like this video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.